Okay, how to create a calendar, which is the next step. I click on enterprise, I select calendar. So we have three types of calendar as explained earlier. I want to create on global, I click on global, I click on add. Under this dialog box, okay, I select one of these calendar that I wanted to duplicate, okay. I select, let's say, okay, let me select this, okay. I click on add again, which is select. It opens this way and display new calendar for me. I want a 5 days calendar, so I'll put 5 days. I'll put times how many hours. I want 5 days, 8 hours. I'll put times 8 hours. Okay, so let me put calendar so as the name of this calendar. Okay, next thing I need to do, I click on modify, right? Modify will display. So this is a 24 hours calendar. So what I need to do next, I click on this detail work hour. Okay, next thing I need to do is I click on work week. Now I can now start. I need Monday to Friday. I click on Monday, hold down the shift key on my keyboard, and I click on Friday. It selects everything for me. I will now start. I want them to start by 8 o'clock. So I will select from 0 to 7. This is 7 a.m. in the morning, and I will say no work. Okay. Then I will start from 8 o'clock. 9 o'clock is 2 hours, 10, 11 is 4 hours. So I want them to work 4 hours in the morning. I will say work. Then on by 12 o'clock, they should go for lunch. I will put non-work. They are not working by 12 o'clock. They are on lunch. I will now select another 4 hours, which is 1 o'clock, 2, 3, 4. So this 4 o'clock now will be what? Work, which is at 16 will be work. I click on work. Then I will now take from 17 to the end is non-work. So I've actually aligned this. Then on Sundays, I will click on Sundays and I hold down Control key this time around. I click on Saturday. So if you scroll both of them, find out that only Sunday and Saturday is selected. So I will select everything here and I will make it non-work. Remember, these guys are not going to work on weekend. They're working Monday to Friday. I will click on non-work. Okay. Automatically, I have set my working days and working hour. I'll click on OK. Then if I need any public holiday, let's say for instance, April, Easter Monday, Easter Friday is on 18th. I will click on 18th April and I will say non-work. I will also go further. Sorry, on Easter Monday should also be a public holiday. I will say non-work. If I need December 25th, okay, October 1st, let's just take only October. I will be scrolling till I get to October. October 1st is on Wednesday, is a public holiday. Okay, I will say non-work. And this is just basically how to create a calendar. So I'm done with my calendar and I will simply click on close, right?